Okay, AJ, go ahead. He's opening his birthday present for his 7th birthday. Go ahead. Hey. Calm down.
Oh, can't get it open.
Sure you can.
Can't. How do you get it open? How do you get tape open? Can you get this?
It just has a little bitty piece of tape on the side. Try the other side of the box. There you go.
Aww.
What is it?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Okay.
And
There's something else in there?
No.
What is that?
a note.
Well, what does it say?
It's in cursive.
Well,
I can't read
it's
it.
not in cursive. Read it. You can read it.
Start at the top. Start at the top.
Start at the top.
You are cordially, I don't know,
Cordially. Go ahead.
cordially invited to join us in Disney World. I get to go? August 2012 for a
Read it.
magical adventure. We can't wait to see you there. Love, Mickey and Minnie Mouse and all of our friends. I get to go to Disney World! Get up?
Yeah, we're all going.
Oh.
In August.
I can't wait.
Will it be fun?
Yes. I get to go to Disney World.
You
Thank
silly.
you, Minnie Mouse. Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
Mwah.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.